Hi, good morning everyone. I do apologise, I'm still full of cold, but I thought might as well let you come and join me this morning. I'm going to be making a flower. I've no idea what kind of flower, I just know I'm going to be making one. And rather than you sit there doing, you know, whatever it is you do, I know some people, quite a few people, say they actually turn my videos on and sit and listen, as well as looking up now and again while they're working. So, you know, thanks for that. Right, what I've done is I've just done some of these pearls. They're individual at the moment because I don't know whether I'm going to use them or not. But I've snipped, just snip the end off. You do a little knot, put your first bead on, and put the teardrop bead, and then 6 pearly beads. So I've got them ready in case I want to use them. I've made my little metal thing for my butterfly. Now here's a butterfly that's, it's like, what do you call it? It's like paper, but then you add the acrylic to it and it makes it like that. And I have to just add, I might just do the 2 of them, I think. I don't think I need 3. Just burnish the ends off too. That's it. And then I'm going to add, using the glossy accents, not keen on that bit there. It seemed a bit watery then. Right, let's try that again. Bit of a check. This stuff's quite thick. So we're just going to pop that on there. Oops. That's it. Just take the excess off. That's better. And then leave that a minute to dry while we make the flower. I found that one as well. It was an earring, but not sure if I'm going to use it for anything. And now we're going to make a flower. And I didn't know what type of flower, so I'm just going to play. And you'll have to just put up with that. So, I've got some of the ombre ribbon. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it yet. Oh dear, this cold is really doing my head in. You know, I could do without it, to be honest. Right, so I'm just going to cut my fabric. Because like I say, I've got a picture in my head of the flower I want. But getting that out into reality is a different thing, isn't it? Right. I'll just cut some of this fabric. So I don't want my petals to be too big. I'm going to need some about that size. I would imagine. Oops. And then probably some about that size. Not sure. Might not use them yet. My scissors need sharpening, or I need to invest in new ones. I'm going to need it cut into pieces. That'll do. Not sure if I've got all of them cut. Have I? I think so. We're just going to round them off to a petal shape. And some have commented when they've sent me messages that I've taken my rings off. I have, just to give my hands a little bit of a break. I've lost some weight, and it's a bit annoying having the rings moving about on your fingers constantly. So I've took them off for a bit. And I've lost weight intentionally. So I'm quite thrilled at that anyway. Right, okay. So, first thing I'm going to do, I think there is a right and a wrong way, is to fold it in half and then stitch it. I'm going to stitch around the edge, like that. Right, and I'm just going to tie that off. Snip it. And then what you do is, we're just going to overlap that, like that, and glue that in. Like that. So you've made like a bud. And then we're just going to do the same with these two. And then we're going to wrap them around that bud. So, all I do with this one, we haven't done it too tight, is to wrap that around here. So here's the opening. So just start where the opening is. Like that. See, like that. I'm just going to glue that bit down. And your bud's getting bigger. So that's that one. And then we're doing the exact same thing again. Now I'm not pulling this one too tight. Open that up. Take hold. Again, this is where the gap is, and you just sit that in the middle like that. See? And you've got yourself a little bud. So then we're going to start filling that out. Now, I'm not too sure whether they're going to be big enough. So I'm going to start with these. Take your lighter. Let me just see, are they going to be big enough? Well, yes, they actually might be. So I'm just going to singe all the edges. And I'm just going to give them a little bit of a twist. Puts a little bit of a shape into them. And we start and we wrap them around the base. One there and one there, I think. And this last one, which I think we can just do that with. That's it, that'll fit there. And there you go, you've got a beautiful large rose. Now we can soon sort all this out by cutting them down more using the lighter. excuse me. And we'll do the same with the inner ones. They don't have to be perfect, folks. And you can't really go wrong with these. Can you see? But there you go. That's how they go. And yeah, a nice English rose. So I do like those. And you can do them with any colour. Not every fabric. Satins and silks and organza will do something similar. So that's that. Oh, this is what I wanted this for. That's probably dry. And I was just going to put... But now I think it's too big. So let me see if I've got anything a little bit smaller. I may have one that's a little bit... Oh, look, I've got one or two here. That's tiny, though. And they're not going to show, are they? And what about a pearly one? And just pop on a little butterfly like that. I think what I'm going to do, though, is to make some leaves. Hang on, because I do have a box of leaves. Now, do you remember when I showed you how to make this? The felting fabric. I saved mine. I didn't want to waste it. And so I can cut 2 leaves out of this. And I made this just using the felt and some colouring, which we'll be doing some more of in the new year. You make your own fabric. There you go. Nice big leaf. Oh, doesn't it look just gorgeous? And I just want to put the leaf where I want it, which is right there. That kind of like looks natural on a leaf, doesn't it? So I might just keep that. Yeah, kind of like looks natural. Why not? Fold that up. Push them together like that. And then they can sit in there like that. I might do a few more there as well. Why not? Just be different, Fee. You know you like being different. There, we don't need as many, I don't think. Maybe we've got just as much. And I'm just going to pop that in there like that. See? Oh, that's already pretty, isn't it? I like that. I do like that. I hope you like that. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.